Better to be wanted than to want. By boys, by girls. The sweet hum of a dress that clings where it should. Better if someone's watching. The cross legs of waiting, dangling a sandal. Being hunted or not, chosen, picked like a lock or a scab. Getting breasts as if I'd won a race. Carrying a telephone, daring myself not to. Sitting in the front yard, my oiled legs in front of me like wares on a cloth. Perky underpants, chilly courting dance, remonstrance. Entering a room with scanning eyes, pulling straight my hems. I've envied boys, the never stopping to take a breath on the brink of a room like a pool, the easiness in clothes, the breezy way they move down a street, the calm when a car slows near them. No panties and pails, no checking their nails. At what point does a girl learn to look over her shoulder? Watch how she glances down to check her waist. There's no rest. She ends each statement with a lilt, a walking question mark. Even girls who push apologize along the way. Pardon me for living, always misgiving, must make a splash, but don't dimple the water. The point of being a girl, a quaint preening, the tender gristle of trying ladylike unfurl.